All right, let's get straight into it. We're looking at Kathir College of Engineering, located in Coimbatore. Now, if you're getting ready for TNEA admissions, you'll need this number. Their code is 2745. So let's find out what this college is all about. So, what's the very first thing you should know? This. The college has a NAAC A+ grade. That's a really significant seal of approval on a national level, so let's dig a little deeper into what that actually means for a student. You know, when you're shortlisting colleges, there are two things that should be right at the top of your list. What are its official quality ratings, and how much academic freedom does it have? Let's see how Kathir stacks up. Okay, so here's what really makes Kathir College interesting. First, that NAAC+ grade is valid all the way until 2028, which gives you some long-term peace of mind. But here's the game changer. In 2024, they also became an autonomous institution. So why should you care? Well, it means they aren't stuck with an old, rigid university syllabus. They can update their courses on the fly to match what companies are actually looking for, making your degree way more relevant. A college's history can tell you a lot about its long-term vision. So let's take a quick look at who founded Kathir College and what they set out to do. The college was started by the NAAC A Educational and Charitable Trust, and their mission is pretty clear: excellence in engineering education and research. That dual focus is important, you know? It means they're committed not just to teaching, but also to actually contributing new ideas to the world of engineering. This timeline really tells the story. The college was established back in 2008. Then, fast forward to 2023, boom, they secure that NAAC A+ grade. And then, just 1 year later, in 2024, they achieve autonomous status. This isn't just slow and steady progress. This looks like a college on a very ambitious and fast-moving path. So, we know the college has a solid foundation, but what can you actually study here? Let's get into the BE and BTech programs that are on the table. For the upcoming admissions, the college has a total of 480 undergraduate seats available. Now, let's see how those seats are split across the different branches. All right, here's the full list of the 7 programs you can choose from. You've got your traditional engineering branches like ECE, EEE, and mechanical, but what really jumps out is the heavy focus on what's next. There's computer science, sure, but then look at this. A huge intake of 120 seats for AI and data science, another whole branch dedicated to AI and machine learning, and computer and communication engineering. That balance tells you they're serious about preparing students for the future of tech. And now for the question that's on every student's and every parent's mind: what's the return on investment? What happens after you graduate? Let's talk about placements. So the headline number, according to the official data the college submitted for TNEA, is an 87% placement rate. Now, let's see what that looks like in terms of actual salary packages. At the top end of the scale, the highest package offered to a graduate was 6 lakhs per annum. This figure shows you the peak opportunity that was available right from campus. And to give you a more complete picture, the average salary package for students placed through the campus comes in at 2.6 lakhs per annum. This is a really important number because it gives you a practical benchmark for what a typical starting salary looks like here. So, which companies are coming to campus to hire? Well, the list includes names like Sasken, the semiconductor specialists at Tessolve, and a core engineering company like LGB. This mix is great because it shows there are opportunities whether you're interested in IT and high tech or in more traditional manufacturing and engineering roles. Okay, academics and placements are one thing, but the practical side of college life is just as important. Let's take a look at the support systems in place, like hostels and financial aid. For students planning to stay on campus, you're all set. The college has both a boys' hostel and a girls' hostel available, and they're served by a common mess. Now, when it comes to financial support, there are several options to explore. Students can, of course, apply for the various Government of Tamil Nadu scholarships. There's also the first-generation graduate tuition fee waiver. And on top of that, the college management offers its own fee waivers, both full and partial, for students who meet the criteria. And just for complete transparency, all the information we've shared today was sourced directly from the college's official website and verified government portals. Everything is current as of our research in March 2026. We hope this data-driven overview of Kathir College of Engineering has been helpful for your decision-making. To continue your research and compare other institutions, visit us at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.